I want to talk to you about email structure. I know you have probably an inbox where you receive a lot of emails that you're not interested of or just taking up space in your inbox. So a good idea is to first step go through what emails do you really want to receive. So you can easily unsubscribe to emails that you no longer want to receive. But an important thing is that you create folders in your inbox. You can have folders, one for invoices perhaps, one for different companies that you work with or different perspectives or how you view to sort them. That is a really good idea, since then you can just drag them to the folder and you can read them later. And you can spare the inbox. When you've sorted out into folders, you can use your inbox as a to-do list. So you know, okay, this is what I really need to do. And don't read all the emails. And that is too much time consuming. You don't have force to do that. So first step is to create folders, and then you unsubscribe to emails that you no longer want to receive. But emails that you are subscribed to, but perhaps you don't have the time to read them, but you know, okay, I will look into this later. You can sort them into a folder, and you create different folders for different topics. This is a really good idea, so it's not taking up too much space in your phone, but you also don't miss any important emails that you really need to keep track of. You could also, of course, have your email senders into VIPs, so you get a notification if it's something important you're waiting for, so you don't have to be worried that you miss any important emails. To have a good email structure is really wise thing, since we get so distracted with all the information that is coming our way. So that is a really good advice to do that. You can, and also sometimes you get an information notification that your iCloud is full, so you really need to delete a lot of emails. So that is also something you need to do occasionally. I have seen in a lot of businesses that I've been working with that people, they spend too much time on the emails and sending emails to people that is not the right recipient for this email, and just taking up too much time from people. So that is a kind of a very important area, where you can save time in your everyday life, at work and within your business, and also make sure that your employees are strict to routine. You have a strict routine to how much time you will spend on your emails. If you have a lot of communication with your email, it's even more important, because it's a really time consuming with all the emails. I have my book Structure is Key to Success, and I have a chapter in there about email structure and a lot of other important things that I really recommend you to check out. So go to my website, there's links below, and you will find where you can order your book online. So good luck with that.